sa Plain Washington Custom. Gawin na tayo ng border between Plain Washington
176th Street, Highway 15.
Surrey, DC.
Speed warning.
Tama-tama, meron pa akong oras. Tapos magbigay ako ng oras dito pag kawid ko.
Speed warning. In a half mile, slide right on 176th Street, Highway 15.
Okay. Apa tayo? Passenger vehicle, pass vehicle trucks. Dito tayo sa pinakakanan. Update natin kung ano yung mga question here in borders.
In 0.2 miles, slide right on 176th Street, Highway 15.
Ito ko lang yung aking printer. Libre ko na yung mga papeles kasi nandito na tayo sa border. Dito tayo ngayon sa Plain Washington. May yung passport, tsaka PCE, tsaka mga bill of lading. Para ko na yan. Isang kaabotan na lang mamaya dun sa officer. Natin kung ano yung mga katanungan. Good afternoon, sir. Key of, there you go. There you go. Change myself on duty, border crossing. Since the 16th, sir, last week. Yes, sir. I pick up squash, buttery squash, spaghetti squash, and yam. Like in Livingston, California, Linden, California, and Selma, California. Thank you, sir. Alright. There you go. Get out of here.
0 hours and 4 minutes of remaining drive time.
That's pretty much it. They never asked too much. I would say I think it depends on border officer assigned in there. So some officer asked too much. The last time I crossed there, the previous officer was assigned is he asked too much question. Now this officer here right now just asked me where did I pick up. They scan my ACE, my passport. I'm good to go. Alright, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa Canada. Ay. Yan, so diretso na ako ngayon sa akin, nililiburan. So yan po, bagong update no ng mga katanungan dito sa
Crossing border, entering British Columbia.
Blaine, Washington.